Hello and welcome back to Vit-Ap Vit-Ap YouTube channel, guys. So once again we are back with another topic in Java programming. So today our discussion is going to be on data type. It's on Java data type. So basically the data type we're gonna discuss today is ASCII. So what is this ASCII? Most of you won't recognize that because it is ASCII is an American standard code for information interchange. Okay, so basically this is meant by ASCII. So what function does it do? So observe that let's change this. Just a second. So just observe that you have many keys in your laptop, right? You have many characters like apostrophe, at the rate, hashtag, and many numbers from 1 to 9, and many letters, alphabet letters, capital letters, and small letters, right? So each and every integer, each and every character, and each and every letter has a specific value. For example, you just consider the value of small a, that is 97, and the value of small b, that it is 98, or you take capital Z, its value will be 90, or you take capital B, its value will be 66. So basically these all are ASCII, okay, ASCII values. So basically what is the definition of ASCII is every character or letter or integer present in your keyboard, in your computer keyboard, or it may be a laptop keyboard. Every character, letter, and integer will be having a specific value. So that is meant by ASCII. Okay. So that is ASCII, and that's all about the definition of it. And I'll be jumping into the code. You just follow through the code carefully. So public class main, public static void main string address, and inside character C, that is equals to A, capital A, and then short M, that is equals to 26, and integer N, that is equals to C plus M. So I just want the value of N here. System.out.println N. So this is your code, and just watch it carefully and figure out a proper output, and just comment the output you got in the comment section. I'll be giving you 5 seconds, and pause the video and check it out. So it's 3, 2, 1, and I'm running the code. I hope I haven't done any mistake. Okay, I just need to give semicolon here. I'm running it again. Yeah, see, 91. Because at first I'll be explaining in the code. I have created a class. The class name is main, and then I have written the public static void main string args, and in this method I have initialized the character type of C, whose value is A, and short type of M, whose value is 26, and then I have initialized an integer variable N, that is equals to C plus M. So yeah, coming here, this A represents the ASCII value, okay, ASCII value. So ASCII value of A, capital A, is 65. Okay, so basically just I have written like this. So most of you will be getting confused that, oh God, this guy have written a string and he's saying a Haskell value. How is that possible, right? So I'll take that one command, I'll just keep it double there and I'll run the code. You'll be getting an error now. See, we got an error because it's a string type now. But we don't need string here. We need Haskell. So I'll remove that double one and I'll just keep a single. And now check it out. You'll be getting the output properly. See, so this is not a string. It's a Haskell value. Okay. So as I said, Haskell value of A is 65, and in such a way you have many Haskell values for capital letters, small letters, characters, integers, and whatever the key elements present in your keyboard, every key element will be having, except function keys, escape and delete or print home. Except that keys, every keys will be having like specific Haskell values. So every integer, character, capital letter and small letter will be having an Haskell value. For example, as you have Haskell value of capital A 65, you'll be having different values for different characters. So just add it yourself. 65 plus 26, it is equals to 91, right? So okay, instead of capital, I'll be giving you capital B. What is the Haskell value of capital B? I guess capital B Haskell value is 66. Okay, I'll just run it and you check it out. You'll be getting a proper output here. Look, we got right. So we have proved that we have Haskell value for every element in the keyboard of your computer, or it may be a laptop, whatever it may be. So every character will be having an Haskell value. So that's all about today's code, guys, and thank you for visiting our channel and